Mother's Day is almost here. Well, Steven Singer Jewelers wants to help you tell moms in your life every single day how appreciated they are. He's introducing his brand new limited edition 24 karat gold dipped blue moon rose for Mother's Day. Skip the flowers that die in a week. These last forever. Steven Singer Jewelers signature gold dipped roses. They're real roses dipped in real 24 karat gold, and they're guaranteed to last a lifetime. Give her something she can look at and remember how loved she is all year long. Picture a brilliantly blue rose, bright blue rose with diamond-like sparkles. Blue roses symbolize rarity and admiration, which makes it the perfect gift to honor moms. This forever gift is a real long-stemmed rose, and it's dipped in 24 karat pure gold. I don't know how they do it. It's like Arnold Schwarzenegger at the end of Terminator 2, I guess, but he does it. Steven has his full lifetime guarantee. It comes to you in an impressive gift box and your own personal Mother's Day note. Shipping's always complimentary. That means free, yes. Order now exclusively at IHateStevenSinger.com. Hurry, because these will not be restocked and supplies are limited. Nothing says I love you like a real authentic Steven Singer 24 karat gold dipped rose that lasts forever. Only available from Steven Singer Jewelers in Philly or online at IHateStevenSinger.com.
Listen, all you New Yorkers. Taxi. Okay, man, we're looking around.
This is the 77 WABC minicast.
This Milwaukee Judge Hannah Dugan, I guess her name is, was arrested for obstruction. She was obstructing the federal law enforcement when it came to getting an illegal alien, or she did this numerous times, illegal aliens out, getting them arrested as they should be, processed, and tossed out of the country. They're here illegally. And for a judge to do this, that's illegal. And she was arrested for it. And again, what do these dummies on the left, what do these dummy Democrats do? They lie. They lie to you. I think there's people that are too stupid to realize they're very malleable. They're little soft brains, and politicians and these liberal jackasses that you see, they're able to convince them. They can convince these people that the Trump administration and ICE are arresting judges. Just pick a judge. I don't like that person. I don't like their ruling. Let me have them arrested. And they're actually making it sound like that, when the truth of the matter is they are breaking the law. And as the Democrats love to say, no one is above the law. They say this all the time, except for anyone doing what they want to be done, whether it's illegal or not, obviously immoral. They don't care about any type of morality or ethics. So when this judge got arrested, they all came out and talked about how Trump is arresting his political enemies. And this is ripping up the Constitution. The judicial system in this country, it's the foundation of everything. That we hear this constantly, and Trump is trotting upon it and just ripping up the Constitution. Well, she broke the law. She got arrested. There was another retired judge, and they were harboring illegals in their house. Gang members in their house. They actually, when they checked one of these gang members' phones, he had photos of decapitated people on his phone. Now, you might find some provocative stuff on people's phones, but a gang member, a South American, Central American, Mexican cartel member, when they have people with their heads cut off on their phone, it's personal to them. They probably had a hand in it. But again, they just can't get it in their head that these people are dangerous, dangerous criminals. And the more you say that, the more racist and xenophobic they'll call you. I don't know how. They're gang members. Just stop. They're here illegally. There's no reason that they should remain here. And we'll get back to the judge in a minute. But another thing they're bitching about, apparently ICE under Trump has thrown out children, deported young children, Americans. They were born here. They are American citizens, and Trump threw them and their mother out to go back to whatever country the mother came from. She was here illegally. So they want to say that Trump deported children. They're American citizens. They were born here. The kids can stay. The mother can't. If she wanted to, she wanted to take the kids with her. They weren't deported. They could have stayed up here with some other family members that are here legally. But they want to make it sound like, they cuffed the little kids and took their mugshots and put them on a plane to deport them. No, when you commit crimes and somehow children are involved, your child, you rob a bank, you're not going to be able to live with your kids anymore. You're going to prison. If you're thrown out of the United States, your kids aren't deported, but you got to go. If you want to live with them, you have to take them with you, which is what she decided to do. So it's not so much a deportation. Deport the mother. Oh, why would you deport a family? Well, the mother's got to go. Them's the rules. I like it. I like this whole policy of we don't care that you have kids here. We don't care that you were a father working to because you know why? They will come up with something for every single case. Every single case of an illegal in this country that the government wants to deport, some lawyer, some judge, some activist will come up with some sob story to make it sound like they are the greatest people that have ever been in this country. He was a great dad, the Maryland guy. Then they ship him down to El Salvador. Apparently he did something down there that involves going to prison. So, it's one of those situations where I don't care. You're here illegally. You got to go. And if your kids are here legally and you're illegal, take them with you or let them grow up here in America without you. Can't do both. Sorry, can't do both. So here's a quick sound clip of this situation. I think this is from CNN. Milwaukee Judge Hannah Dugan arrested for obstruction. And just listen to the language. They really they try to make this sound like, and it's supposed to be the news, right? They want to make it sound like something bad was going on here as far as arresting this judge. Like she was arrested without due process or what have you. So listen to some of this.
FBI Director Kash Patel says a U.S. judge has been arrested for obstructing an immigration operation. Let's go live right now to our senior crime and justice correspondent, Caitlin Poland. It's pretty dramatic. What are you learning, Caitlin?
Truly, Wolf, this is something that we have certainly not seen before, but appears to be part of this aggressive approach the Trump administration has toward immigration. What the FBI Director Kash Patel announced in a social media post just a few minutes ago this morning is that just now the FBI arrested Judge Hannah Dugan out of Milwaukee, Wisconsin, on charges of obstruction after evidence of Judge Dugan obstructing an immigration arrest operation last week. We believe Judge Dugan intentionally misdirected federal agents away from the subject to be arrested in her courthouse. Eduardo Flores Ruiz is the name that the FBI director puts out there about that subject, allowing the subject to evade arrest. Thankfully, our agents chased down the perp on foot, and he's been in custody since. But the judge's obstruction created increased danger to the public. So that's the FBI director laying out this apparent story and the developments this morning, Wolf, of what is happening dealing with this arrest. We have reached out to the Milwaukee County Circuit Court, which is where the judge sits, Judge Hannah Dugan. They have not responded yet, and there isn't any publicly available information in the court record about this, but it would be a startling development if this judge was arrested as she was working on the bench as a judge handling an immigration case or a case of a person that ICE was also interested in. Wolf?
Yeah, very
startling. Like, they use words like that. And by the way, they never say illegal immigration. ICE's illegal immigration policies and laws and rules, and they never say that. It's always just immigration, because they want to put this out to the American people like they're just throwing out people that came here from another country legally. They never say illegal. And it's startling. What's startling about it? Startling is a judge not giving up a criminal to the federal authorities. That's startling. And then he goes out, literally runs out the back door of the courtroom with this woman's, hey, there you go, take it easy. Is it out of the realm of possibility that this guy could have done a serious crime or killed somebody? How would that have played out? Would this judge just be arrested for obstruction, or would she have been arrested for murder?